I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because today I'm going to be making the most wonderful little low-carb mini cheesecakes. I've been making this recipe for years and it's absolutely delicious. It turns out perfect every time. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe. I am so excited to put this cheesecake recipe together. It's super easy and super delicious. We're going to start off by adding our almond flour, our melted butter, and we'll add our sweetener. I'm going to mix these ingredients up together, and these are the ingredients that are going to make our crust. I put our crust mix in a little bowl, and I'm just going to take this with a spoon and drop it into each little muffin cup. I'll try to divide it up as equally as I can. Once you get some of the crust in each of the little muffin cups, just take the back of a spoon or a glass or a rubber spatula or anything you have and just press down the dough to make a nice crust in the bottom of the muffin cup. We're going to set our little crust aside and start working on our filling. Let's get busy putting our filling together. I have 1 block of cream cheese at room temperature. I have a 1/4 cup of sour cream at room temperature, an egg at room temperature. I have vanilla and some powdered sugar that's sugar-free. I'm using Swerve confectioner sugar. I always put a really nice cushioned trivet underneath my bowl when I'm mixing. That way I can easily turn my bowl and it just glides around without clanging and banging on the countertop. Once you have your filling as smooth as you can possibly get it, it's time to start filling our little cupcake cups. I've been making this recipe for many years, and I find the best thing to use to fill these little cups is a gravy ladle. You can get a really nice dollop right on the gravy ladle and put it right in the little cups on top of that wonderful little almond flour crust. Just pick it up and wipe the extra off. Do your best, of course, to get equal amounts in each of the cups. And now our little mini cheesecakes are ready to take to the oven. The oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to bake these little cheesecakes for 20 minutes. We'll let the little cheesecakes cool in the muffin cups, and once they're cool, we'll put them in the refrigerator to chill for at least 3 hours. And here's how our wonderful little cheesecakes turned out. I am so happy you were here for these wonderful, delicious, low-carb little mini cheesecakes. I had so much fun putting these together. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.